Founded in 2010 in Ottawa, Canada, International-ASET Incorporation is dedicated to advancing research and innovation by bridging academia and industry through global collaboration. With partnerships spanning hundreds of university professors and researchers, International-ASET fosters a thriving network of scientific excellence. The organization hosts high-impact conferences worldwide, bringing together experts from diverse fields to share knowledge, spark innovation, and shape the future of research. The publishing division of International-ASET, Avestia, ensures that all conference proceedings and research contributions are professionally reviewed and published. Through a collection of peer-reviewed journals, Avestia upholds high academic standards, making research widely accessible. To further support the research community, International-ASET operates Where to Submit, a platform that lists only high-quality conferences and journals. Where to Submit does not choose venues, but serves as a trusted resource for researchers seeking high-quality academic events and publications. With a strong commitment to academic excellence and knowledge dissemination, International-ASET Incorporation continues to be a driving force in global research and innovation. Join us, the future of science and collaboration.